Now, I know you're all thinking, that's easy, I can do that. But if it's so easy, why don't we? And that is, we have excuses, don't we? Excuses will prevent us from getting everything we want in this world. In the next 10 years, what does your life look like if you don't make decisions to take action, to start rebuilding your foundation, and just exercising every day, and maybe stop eating processed foods? And we all know we shouldn't be shoveling donuts in our mouth. But we've got to take action on this, and your why needs to be so much bigger than the excuse.